Problem 1. How many integer values of x satisfy that following expression? So one thing that you need to realize is to understand what an absolute value is. If I have an absolute value of a, there's three cases. It's equal to a, 0, or negative a, given that a is greater than 0, a is equal to 0, or a is less than 0. So this case and this case is obviously easy to understand, but what does this case mean? Well, when a is less than 0, I'm saying that a in itself is less than 0. So the negative of a negative number is 0. So to illustrate this, if I have the square root of negative 3, that's obviously equal to 3. Don't get me wrong. But that's also equal to the negative of negative 3, which is equal to 3 as well. Because remember, a in itself is negative. So the negative of a negative number is a positive number. So that's what this case means. So now let's do this question. The absolute value of x is less than 3 pi. So that means the absolute value of x can either be a positive number, which is less than 3 pi, or be x in itself be less than x, so we negate x to be less than 3 pi. So this becomes x greater than 3 pi. So in other words, or greater than negative 3 pi. So that means x is less than 3 pi, and it's greater than negative 3 pi. And now you know that pi is 3.16 roughly, so multiply by 3, 9.48. So this becomes negative 9.48. This becomes positive 9.48. So that means since negative 9.48 is obviously, let's see, it's less than negative 9, right? So that means it's negative 9 is less than equal to x, and it's less than equal to 9. So the number of terms in here is 9 minus negative 9 plus 1, which gives you 19, bringing you to answer choice D.